right behind you. Holy shit. It's one hell of a video game.
Yeah, but it's real. Come on. I got it. Whoa, that was awful close.
Delta 2 awaiting instructions.
Proceed to Alpha formation.
Outlaw, this is Hound Dog. I'm moving up on your wing.
Negative, Hound Dog. Maintain tactical spacing. Don't crowd me.
I'm in position.
Jesus, Hound Dog, back off.
Settle down, gentlemen.
Colonel, Hound Dog's too close. The system can't handle this formation.
The system's fine, Captain Waters. Get ready for the next run.
Yes, sir.
2 copies.
Head for the control point, now.
20 seconds to control point Sierra.
Increase your speed to Mach 1.6.
Yes, sir. Mach 1.3, 1.5, 1.6. Hound Dog, what are you doing? Come in, Hound Dog. Hound Dog, acknowledge.
Delta 2, waiting further instructions.
Hound Dog, terminate your run. Terminate your run, Captain. That's the order.
Colonel, what's happening?
Hound Dog, pull out of there.
Colonel, he's gonna hit the canyon walls.
Hound Dog, do you copy?
Tom! I'm losing it!
Pull up, Hound Dog. Pull up!
Listen to the Colonel, Hound Dog. Pull up! Pull up! Damn it! Son of a bitch, Hound Dog. God, no.